Welcome to my comprehensive review of Elder.js. In this video, I'll be covering the key features of this powerful static site generator. Elder.js is a JavaScript framework built to create lightning-fast websites that are SEO-friendly and easy to scale. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a team, Elder.js is designed to handle complex websites with ease. Let's begin with its core functionality. Elder.js works by pre-building your website into static files, making it incredibly fast compared to dynamic sites. One of its standout features is its ability to handle large, content-heavy websites while maintaining optimal performance. Elder.js generates these static sites by compiling and pre-rendering pages at build time, ensuring the users get the fastest loading experience. When setting up Elder.js, you first need Node.js installed on your computer, as it's a prerequisite for the framework. After that, you can easily install Elder.js via npm or yarn. The installation process is pretty straightforward, and there's ample documentation to help you get started quickly. The key benefit of Elder.js over other frameworks is its flexibility. While it's optimized for performance, it also provides developers with the tools to fully customize the build process. You can control how your pages are rendered, and can even add custom functionality without much hassle. If you're familiar with other static site generators, you'll find Elder.js to be intuitive, but it also has a lot of advanced features to explore. The configuration options are robust, giving developers a high level of control. From routing to templating, Elder.js offers a modular approach that allows you to scale your projects easily. Its built-in caching and pre-rendering features help boost performance even further. Elder.js is great for SEO as well. Since the pages are pre-rendered, search engines can easily crawl and index them. It's an excellent choice for businesses or personal projects looking to improve search rankings without compromising speed or performance. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that could help with your development process after watching the video. These resources cover additional tools and tutorials that can enhance your experience with web development. Overall, Elder.js stands out as one of the best tools for developers who prioritize speed, scalability, and customization. While it might have a steeper learning curve than simpler site generators, the payoff in performance and flexibility is well worth it. If you're building a static site that needs to handle high traffic or complex content, Elder.js should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you found it helpful. I'll continue reviewing other web development tools and frameworks, so stay tuned for more honest reviews and tutorials.